Today, our video is regarding Avoquincream, which is used for pigmentation and whitening purpose. We will let you know Avoquincream benefits, how to use, how long should you use, its special instruction before use, and its side effects. Avoquin contains active ingredient hydroquinone. Hydroquinone works by reducing melanin pigment production in the body, thus reducing darkening of skin. Now let's see the uses of this cream. Avoquin is used to lighten the dark patches of the skin, which is hyperpigmentation. Melasma. Liver spots, which are flat, brown or black spots that can appear on areas of the skin that are exposed to the sun. Age spots, caused by pregnancy, birth control pills, hormone medicine, or injury to the skin. Let's see how to use this cream. This cream may be sensitive to some people's skin, so we always recommend to apply a small quantity on hand or back of neck, and check the area within 24 hours for any serious side effects. If the test area is itching, red, puffy, or blistering, do not use this product and contact your doctor. If nothing happens, or if there is just mild redness, then you can begin the treatment with this cream. Start applying the cream daily, 2 times, once in the morning and once in the night. Use Avoquincream for several months for best results. Note: this medication may make the treated areas of skin more sensitive to the sun. So avoid prolonged sun exposure, and if going outside, always use a sunscreen. Some side effects, which you may experience are allergic skin reactions, redness, stinging on the site of application, dryness. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below, we will answer that.